out of your civilian clothes and place all of your belongings in the box with your name on it. All of your belongings. Shake your hair, wiggle your fingers, spread your toes, blow your nose. Welcome to Enola Vale Youth Correctional Facility.
Butch, bet on the far left. Davis, straight ahead. Angel, right here. Judge may have given you a sentence, but in reality, your sentence all depends on your behavior.
No weapons. No sharp items. No pornographic material. No illegal substance. No tobacco. No alcohol. And no signs of gang activity will be permitted on the facility of Enola Vale.
Right now, you're all level 1. Evaluations will determine for us whether you actually want to change and rehabilitate.
What happened?
I slipped and fell.
But if you refuse to cooperate, I have no choice but to isolate you.
So let's go, you and me.